Ever found yourself stuck with a credit card on file you no longer want to use, especially with a service like LegalZoom? Maybe you've got a new card, or you're just looking to streamline your online payments. It's a common scenario, and while most companies make it easy to add payment methods, removing them can sometimes feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You log in, you click around, and suddenly you're in a maze of menus, wondering if that old card will ever truly disappear. It's frustrating, right? You want control over your financial information, and rightly so. In a world where data breaches and unauthorized charges are a constant worry, managing your payment methods is more important than ever. LegalZoom, being a service that handles critical legal documents and processes, makes it particularly vital to keep your account information accurate and secure. You don't want an old card expiring and causing an interruption in your essential services, or worse, leaving your financial data exposed longer than necessary. This isn't just about convenience. It's about security and peace of mind. An outdated or unused credit card linked to an online account can be a potential vulnerability. If that card is compromised elsewhere, or if your LegalZoom account itself is ever accessed without authorization, having a financial link can escalate the problem. Plus, it's just good financial hygiene to declutter your digital wallet. Why keep a card on file that you're not actively using or that has been replaced? The good news is, removing a credit card from LegalZoom is entirely possible. It might not be immediately obvious, but with a clear, step-by-step guide, you can accomplish this with minimal fuss. This video is designed to be that guide, your roadmap to navigating LegalZoom's interface and confidently deleting those old payment methods. We'll walk through the process, address common roadblocks, and ensure you understand exactly what to do to secure your account. So, if you're ready to take control of your LegalZoom payment settings and ditch that old card for good, stick around. We're about to dive deep into the exact steps you need to take. First things first, you'll need to log into your LegalZoom account. This might seem obvious, but always ensure you're on the official LegalZoom website. Double-check the URL in your browser to avoid phishing attempts. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your account dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things LegalZoom. From your dashboard, you're looking for anything related to My Account, settings, billing, or payments. Websites often use slightly different terminology, but these are the keywords you'll want to keep an eye out for. Typically, you'll find these options in a navigation menu on the left-hand side or at the top right corner of the page, often under your profile icon or name. Click on My Account or similar to proceed. Within the My Account section, you'll likely see various subsections. What we're specifically looking for is something that deals with your payment methods, subscriptions, or billing history. Look for tabs or links labeled Payment Methods, Billing Information, Manage Payments, or even Subscriptions. LegalZoom's interface is generally well organized, so you should be able to spot one of these. Once you've found the relevant section, you should see a list of the credit cards or other payment methods you have on file with LegalZoom. Each card will typically be displayed with its type, Visa, MasterCard, etc., the last 4 digits of the card number, and its expiration date. This is where you identify the specific card you wish to remove. Next to each listed payment method, you should find an option to edit, update, or remove that particular card. This might appear as a button, a link, or even a small icon like a trash can or an X. Click on the Remove option associated with the credit card you want to delete. Now, here's a crucial point. LegalZoom, like many subscription-based services, might not allow you to remove your only payment method if you have active subscriptions or services. This is to ensure continuity of service and prevent accidental cancellations due to missing payment information. If you encounter a message saying you can't remove the card, it's usually because it's linked to an ongoing service. In such a case, you'll first need to add a new payment method before you can remove the old one. Look for an Add Payment Method or Add New Card option in the same section. Go through the process of adding your new credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the new card is successfully added and verified, you should then be able to go back and remove the old card without any issues. LegalZoom might even prompt you to designate a new default payment method if you have multiple on file. Make sure to select your preferred new card as the primary one. It's also important to consider if the credit card you're trying to remove is tied to a specific LegalZoom subscription, such as registered agent services or a legal plan. If you're looking to fully discontinue a service and remove all associated payment information, you might need to cancel the subscription before you can remove the card. To cancel a subscription, navigate to the Subscriptions or Manage Services section within your account. There, you should find options to cancel or modify your active plans. Remember that canceling a subscription often means the service will remain active until the end of its current billing cycle. Once you've clicked Remove and confirmed your action, LegalZoom will typically ask for a final confirmation to ensure you truly want to delete the payment method. Read any on-screen prompts carefully. After confirmation, you should receive a notification, either on the screen or via email, confirming that the credit card has been successfully removed from your account. It's always a good idea to check your email for this confirmation for your records. Sometimes, despite following these steps, you might encounter an unexpected error or simply be unable to find the option. In such rare cases, don't hesitate to reach out to LegalZoom's customer support. They have various contact channels, including phone and live chat, and their representatives can guide you through the process or even remove the card for you directly if there's a technical glitch. Having your account details and the last 4 digits of the card ready will speed up the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.